What is this, the next run now?
I think so. I was trying to get Jeff when you were thinking around this piece.
Come boys.
Brian.
Right, is everyone going to listen, or are you just going to stand there and talk? Stand there and talk? Right guys, you've got one option. Either turn around and listen, or go back to the safe zone. We're not wasting these guys' time. Yeah?
Stop talking!
Right guys, next game we're going to play is the foxhole. This is the foxhole. Your objective is to get to it. Get someone in there to hold it. Yeah? Now, you've got unlimited lives. When you shot, go back to your start point. Straight back in again. Now, it's going to be run for 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes, whoever's in it or closest wins, you swap sides and see who does it better that way as well. So you've got a chance on both sides. There is a halfway mark. Don't cross the halfway mark. It's literally straight down the middle. Big V tree down the middle there, going up to the big V tree up there. I'm going to be standing here. So if you're taking from that direction over there, do not run past me. The same if you're attacking from there to this direction. Don't run past me. If you do, I will shoot you. It's as simple as that. Yeah? You've got unlimited lives. As I said, when you're shot, go back to your start point, straight back in again. Now, being a woodland game, it is fully auto until up close. Now, please be a bit sensible about the up close. Yeah, fully auto for me. So, Eliza, it's going to hurt like mad. No one wants that. Have a bit of common sense. From me to that tree, you know, a little bit further would be nice. Should be switching down to semi when you get to that close. Yeah, anyone got any questions? There we go. So, armbands. Would you like to go with lines down that way? Non-armbands. Go with Max that way.
Yeah.
No, it's like him.
Where's Lenny?
Yeah. Yeah, I topped it up when I was brown bread.
I topped mine up while I was drinking the tea.
And you didn't bring me one.
Probably not that one. You're not there.
No, you're probably right. Tracers work in this light as well, wouldn't they? Well, I say that, I mean, I'm saying that in this light, I have got sunglasses on, so.
Right guys, move over there please. Fucking silent neck. it out, yeah?
Max James said he wants to start a bit far track for himself,
Oh, yeah. I'm just looking at your bullets, mate.
These are really cheap.
Are they?
I just want to waste them up.
Oh, like traces?
Yeah, but these are really, really cheap.
Oh, really? What happens? You just throw them in? So you know that it doesn't drop the mag when you're running out?
No, these are too light. These are like 0.12 gram.
Oh, okay. So they just don't fly?
They're too light. So,
No one's getting out then, are they?
good for this one because you pull out to spread and pray.
Richie, stick that underneath. Oh, might have a bit of camo.
Okay. Gives you tweak. Where do you want it anyway?
Anyway, it's not a very effective bit of camo, but...
See, that's what you want then.
I checked my camera out and it was like right down here. I was just...
It's still up there.
yeah, no, because I've had to move it back so I don't know what I've been filming. And then I moved the helmet, which probably is too. And the light's still blinking. Yeah. So it's still recording. I think it stops after about 45 minutes and then I have to start again.
Oh.
In fact, I could just go. GoPro, stop recording.